Hey everybody, Robert here. We're back with Revit training, and we're going to continue on with our project now. Here, we're looking at our house here. We've got it's a tropical house we're going to do in Revit. So let's go back now. What I didn't do here was the most important thing. We need to get our levels straight. So I put this in here now. Link this AutoCAD drawing in from Sketchup model. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into my north elevation, and what's happening here, these are my default levels, and I'm using the commercial template again. I kind of like it because it's view plane based, and then they have a lot of stuff already set up for you as far as sheets, and it's just a pretty good template to start. So for this project, we're going to focus on the level for 1 and level 2, and we'll let the structural engineer worry about this stuff below. We don't know how deep this is, so our ground level will be at, this will be our finished floor level. I'm going to just say low 1, top of finished floor, or whatever you want to call this. Oh, sorry, level 1. That in caps, whatever you want. This is going to be our top of finished floor. This is going to be 0, 0, since we don't know. Okay, you want to say yes there, and then here I measured that height. I remember. So from the, we're going to call this one level 2 or second floor. So let's go with level 2 here. Finished floor. Okay, I know what I'll do. I'll call that finished floor. Yes. And this will be level 1. I'm sorry, finished floor. Okay, so now then again we have a roof up here. I'm not sure what that is. Let's go in the model and see if we can pick it out here. I'm gonna go to this front view here. Actually, I want to cut me another section through this bad boy. Hit the section tool, and I'm gonna go to XYZ plane. Okay. So we got these two. Now we need to go from here to here. I don't know why I didn't measure that already. Well, it's this beautiful home. So we're gonna go from this finished floor height to here, the top of the roof. So I'm gonna measure this. Okay, so we got 138 inches. Being lazy here. It's about 11.5 feet. Yep. Okay, basically, okay, right. That's the one we got that height, I think. Let me look here again. Okay, so this right here would be 11.6. See, okay. So that's our level 2. Now let's go and see about this upper height here. What's this? Okay, now I think it might be better to cut a section of measure. Let me see if I can cut this back to here. Okay, so I'll get my little gizmo, and I'm gonna just drag this back all the way. Come on, give me. Okay, drag this back to here, and then I'll go and measure. Okay, now let's go from this. I'll measure from here. to, I'm going to go to this level because I'm not sure right now. So that's going to be, now let's take it to here. This will be the roof level, right? I'm going to say, let me erase this. Hold on a minute, folks. I'm going to go from here. I'm going to just fake this for now because I don't know. I really don't have an idea. So I'm going to just go back into our Revit model. And for now, let's just say 10 feet. Let's take this up 10 feet from there. So it'll be 21 feet. Actually, let's make it 22.6. I think that's what it really is. So make this 22 feet 6. This will be our roof level. But we won't worry about that because we're going to focus on the first floor. So now I got my levels all set up. So now let's go back into that finished floor level. And here, I'm kind of liking these structural walls. So let's take a structural wall here. And then I'm going to go height. And then I'm going to go up to level 2 finished floor. You might have to offset it for the floor line. So I'm going to just go and do the exterior walls. What size do I have here? Let's see. Yeah, we want to go an 8-inch wall on the outside for now. So let me get these in here quickly. Let's go structural wall. A few reasons for the structural wall. It houses rebar, it holds rebar, and architectural walls don't. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to just start laying these walls out. So I'm going to take this guy all the way to here. It's probably a window there. There's some kind of feature here. Just do that for now. I think I'm going to need this whole wall. So I'm going to take this here. And then we go this way. And we got probably an opening there. Yeah, I don't know what's happening here. Okay. So I'm a little bit like, okay, what's going on here? It's kind of hard to see. These are windows, I'm sure. Okay, let's just do the exterior. This is the garage, so let's get this guy in here. So basically, I'm just tracing the AutoCAD file for right now. There's a door there. We'll get that in. So let's just get the base exterior of the building. So now here, okay, that's the courtyard there. It should be here. There's another wall here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through these with the structural wall. Just get these exterior walls done here. There. Okay, now let's go have a look in our our model. Let's see what's happening in our 3D view here. Sort of coming together here. Let's go back into our floor level. And we got walls here. And that goes all the way through to there. And leave the walls generic structure because we'll do our finishes on these. At the moment, we're just trying to get the building laid out here. So I don't know what's happening there. Let's just take this around. We know this is here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and take a peep in my viewer. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to home. And we're going to do this little section now. And I'm going to look at the first floor and kind of figure out what the heck's going on here. It's kind of hard with the AutoCAD file. Okay. All right. So there's our first level, basically. Okay. So that is there. There's a wall here. Okay. So I know enough now to finish this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish this floor and see you guys in the next video. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this every day. And this is part 2. And if you didn't watch this from the beginning, go look at one of my other series. Very helpful. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe. Bye.